slipping, I got you.
And ask for a boost if you need it.
Yeah. I don't know though. I can't.
Okay.
So Ashton, you see right now? You see all those weird jutting rocks in front of you? Grab those. There are a ton of handholds there. Like straight in front of you, up top in front of you. Ask for a boost and grab.
Boost.
Okay.
And grab. Grab forward.
Hold up.
Okay. I got your foot. Press on this foot.
Yeah. And there you go. Now come left.
Can barely.
I know, it's tough.
You said I can go?
Now you're gonna go left.
Left.
Yeah, left.
Left.
You see me?
Yeah.
Alright, you're gonna come to me and there's a ledge right where the light is.
Shut.
Max, you coming up? Alright, do you need me?
Take your time, don't rush it.
Okay.
I can turn around, yeah.
Well, you have to get over to where he is.
You have to come down here, just don't go off the edge of the ledge. You guys step down from this ledge all the way over to the rock.
Alright, you see this rock right
Oh, it's slippy.
Okay, I got you. Just wait till Ashton goes to it.
That's.
Can you sit here? Bring your other foot forward. I want your feet in front of you, not behind you. Don't just drop down. Look where you're going. Okay, see that?
Hi, Max.
Okay, there you go.
I heard you were goaded back there.
Step down.
So goated.
I'd have Toby do what you did.
Very good. That was really good.
Helping
Good
everyone
enough,
up.
yeah.
Guys, just someone got their head stuck. I got. Oh yeah, and they're here. They're here this time too. Oh, it's Joey.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I gave one guy a mustache.
Oh nice.
Wait, Dave, what if you get lost?
Joey,
What if you get lost?
eventually you end up back there, Aaron. And eventually, if you just walk around.
Hey guys, where's Joey?
Hey, look, we were
Joey's right there.
Joey's right there. Okay.
We were kind of sitting in the tunnel.
Joey, is your helmet on? Show me the camera.
Climb up. We did climb up.
If it's on securely. Good enough.
Is
it your hoodie just kind of cockeyed?
That's probably
Your shoes are cooked.
And the lights?
Those
Oh
tennis
yeah, the
shoes.
light's off center too. That's probably throwing me
These
off.
shoes are so
You're
cooked.
good.
Joey, man, that was super impressive, man. Going through there?
Yeah.
Pretty sweet.
Most of the Yo Scouts are there.
You're sweating, right, Max?
Yeah, it was just difficult because
Yeah.
it's like hard to climb. Life is difficult.
Oh, were you?
Max, do you know how many people are left?
Okay,
And you
Gabe.
don't have to be motivational.
It's Hayden.
Gabe, what are my bags? We didn't.
I gave it time
to
to
be Aristotle here.
Do you have the
okay?
green Yahoo bag?
What is
Younger guy?
Aristotle?
I got 2 green bags. One is Camp Yaga.
That's me.
Aristotle.
I'm that green bag.
Yeah, here, can I get the light green bag for Ashley?
It's.
This one?
Yeah. No, I'd like to get. No, Aristotle, like the Greek philosopher.
Bro, why'd you bring your whole backpack?
Some people did read carry water and stuff. All of modern philosophy is a foot.
I didn't bring any. My water's in the car.
Because Plato and Aristotle are that cool.
Aerosol?
Aristotle.
Like Aerosol? You said aerosol.
If I fall, I'm falling right on your leg.
Guys, if you want to get started on the next.
Yeah, Ethan, you want to start leading that?
I got you, fam.
Me and Max will hold up the rear.
This hole here.
Joey, wait for...
Oh, it's too bad Patrick's not
When
here
you
to
get
read
to
the
the end, when you
newspaper.
stand up, you make a left.
Oh wait, there is a newspaper.
You go down here, you get to
Max,
the
you're
line.
not good newspaper. Yeah, well, you
All right,
Here we go.
the Washington Post. Early snow showers sneak in. Commuters travel to work near the King Street Metro station.
You got this, Ethan.
I
know, right? Wait,
Yeah, can I follow up with my bag?
Is that today?
I bought it.
Make sure you water
Yeah.
Gabe, can I follow my buddy through?
Let's go after them.
Hey, where's Josh? Where's Josh?
Me and Griffin are after.
It's still, no, it's him.
Yeah, we're after Oliver.
Me and Caleb are going.
I wanna go with. Can I go down?
And Ethan, what direction did Ethan come into this from?
Just slid right down. But you can just go feet first and then.
Yeah, and then.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go.
That's for small children. Don't like hit your head.
The lion goes head
But
first.
we're already down here. Did you see the lion again?
The lion goes head first.
The lion goes head first. Nah.
Go, go, go.
You climb under the thing and then you go to the left.
Hey yo. that, bro?
Guys, somebody take the ball. Somebody take.
Okay, how are we supposed to take the ball?
I'll take the ball. I'll take
Toss the ball down there.
Joey, come back up here. We're gonna go last, okay?
Is this a balloon? Why are we go on?
Because me and Max are gonna help
I
take
know.
over here.
Wait, are you taking the ball?
Max isn't ready yet,
Okay,
okay?
yeah, that makes more
Wait, actually,
sense.
who's going next that does not have a bag?
Guys, if you have a bag,
I do.
guys, if you have a bag, push it in front of you. Push it in front of you. Yeah.
I'm just saying, whoever doesn't have a bag, just
Bring the ball.
Who doesn't have a bag?
I have a bag.
Hey.
No, I'll take both have bags.
Where?
Okay.
Josh, you
I'm
good?
not sure how to
Joey, come back. Sit up here.
Yeah, you come, and then there's a rock you stand on.
I know, just so that
How many more people are behind you?
Hey, can I see that?
Guys, only one person in that hole at a time,
Yeah,
okay?
here, Caleb, come back up.
They have to back out.
Caleb.
You're in the way.
What way do we turn after we go down here?
Left. Left? Okay, turn left.
Yeah, the hole's next.
Oh, I'm gonna step.
The hole. It's the hole down to the 9th level of heaven.
Hole.
Yeah, I see it over there.
Wait, is it the whole left
We're
or
gonna get chewed up with
left?
safety.
Left.
Josh
Go
is
left.
Josh is behind me.
Okay.
This is hole
Yeah,
down to
you
the
see that?
9th
You see
level.
the
Get in there.
If you were
Am I gonna
going
get
down,
chewed up by
going to the
safety?
right,
Point your leg down.
It's probably down already.
No, go as far as it can
Right,
push down.
go
There you
straight.
go.
Now it's just blinding me.
Right.
Well, maybe up
Right.
one foot.
Oh,
but-
now it's right. Bro, you guys are telling me.
All right, now what were you asking?
Now he's blinding me.
Right, go right.
Wait, is it right or right?
Right?
Just
Go
follow
to
the
end.
natural passageway.
Yeah. Follow Big Path.
Should we have someone who's gone here before go first?
No, Ethan's in.
Okay, have Ethan,
Yeah, so if you get in
yell
there, you don't
and
know where
show
you're
the
going,
way.
yell for Ethan.
Ethan will probably be in there with her.
Yeah, they know.
Yeah, there is an alcove to the right where someone's
Yeah.
at.
Yeah, I'm
place
gonna
to drop
slide
in.
down and then get her. Like that, yeah.
Alright, Eric, me.
Yeah, there's.
Oh.
Yeah,
Guess you wanna go first
next,
or
and then,
after?
I mean, I can go first.
Eric,
I'm gonna go first.
Okay, you say so. I don't care.
Josh, you good?
Making sure you don't
Me. I'm Ashton. Ashton.
Okay, you gotta wait till he gets that.
Dang.
No, I'm trying to make sure I
Yeah, Ashton, don't worry.
That is sketchy.
Ashton.
You're
Yep.
sketchy.
He's in good hands, we're just gonna have to wait for him.
Oh, there's still people trying to get up.
There's still people up the hole?
All right, I gotta get a
Josh
picture
is
of you
going
reading the
up,
paper.
and then
It's pretty silly.
Caden
and Liam are gonna slide by him.
Oh, is Josh?
Just read the paper.
Fell out one sec.
Nice, nice.
I wasn't an adequate spotter for Josh, I didn't know where to tell him to go. So,
Just read the paper, dang it.
Yeah.
like, I could do it myself, but I didn't know what to tell him.
Alright.
Here, bro, let me take a look at the paper, bro.
Caden's better at that.
I bought this.
So
Let me just take a look at it.
I was like, I'll demonstrate, you, and then you go.
Democrats press this wider program to vote strike. Tisk, tisk, tisk.
Hope I see you on the other side.
Yeah, yeah, we're all going to the 9th level of heaven.
Who's left?
Who's last?
No, who's still? Is it tight?
Josh, Caden and Liam. Yeah, you might want to move. You might want to move. He's gonna need more space, yeah.
Who's Wait, who's how tight is it? Oh,
Yep, I just wanted to make sure.
Good job. Keep going. Go that way.
Yeah, sure. Don't worry about me.
Josh, come this way, come this way, come this way.
I'm not worried about you, your shoulder was just in my way. No, you're fine. I could have articulated
should
that
I
a
wait
little
for?
bit.
Your shoe is huge, man.
Should I wait for
He's
Josh?
coming.
He's coming.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
Josh, can
Yeah,
you
Tommy,
hang
you
out
should wait
right
for
there
your
for
buddies.
Take your time. Take your time. Don't rush it. Okay?
And then just sit there for a little bit, okay?
Yeah,
Catch your
just
breath.
split second. I'm tying my shoe. I gotta take my clothes beside this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, just
Yeah, I'm gonna, no, I'm actually gonna touch every
because I'm not the most.
What is in these paper?
I want to climb.
You made it
I'm
though.
waiting
What
for
young
Josh.
people
I
are
want to
supposed to say,
climb
right?
straight up that way.
Josh, go to that one. The one that no one's.
Climb up there.
Isn't that the way we go for office?
I don't know. Can you fit up?
Yeah, sorry, scared
One slide.
There's a passageway back
What are
there
our options?
that goes up.
I can't get to do this one.
I think you can go around.
Try one since I did the easy
Yeah,
way
I
this time.
Huh?
The way I went.
Are you doing the slide?
Okay, what about this way next, you think?
Oh, yeah.
Crawling.
Cool.
Well, the first part's kind of tight, and then you just kind of crawl
Cool,
through.
because I remember doing it last time, it was a lot
Some
of
of the
fun.
little kids
Yeah,
were
I wanted
saying
to
it was
begin.
really tight, but.
Alright.
Yeah, it's,
Right,
you're getting
fine.
into the crawling position is pretty tight.
Oh, okay.
Here, Josh, I just got your
I think
feet here.
anyone could do it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you can just sweat.
You just have to be smart. Or you could,
Are you guys the
some
last
people
ones?
go feet down and then try to get their head down, which is kind of tight.
Yeah.
But, or you could just go
Drop down
and
and
guide
go
then.
first, yeah.
Okay.
All right, very good, guys. Very good. You did awesome.
And then you're gonna go in with Ashton.
Okay, bet Josh, I'm gonna go first, okay?
Take off your
It's another crawl
backpack.
space, but it's not too bad. It's not as much.
The Maryland House speaker stepped down.
How are those gloves holding up, man?
Money is there, they were holding up.
Yeah, these are actually really solid. I'm surprised.
Also, good job coaching, John.
That was a bit interesting. He was a bit scared to get off the initial bolts.
It widens out in a little bit after that, so you should be fine. You can probably go on your hands and knees.
Can't.
I can get your bag when you get up here.
Okay. Ah, gosh dang it.
Yeah, there's 2 holes, but if you get it to me. Here, if you toss it into my hands, I can.
Yeah? You good? What? Really being perfect? Because it feels
And then you can walk here when you get it. Here you go. Nice job.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm back. Oh! I know the cameraman never dies. Oh my.
Where were you?
I was waiting for Josh.
Oh.
I'm his buddy.
Okay, so Josh reading up the thing.
Wow, what's over?
I don't know.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm going through. I'm going through. Teach. Come there. He gives me answers. Just leave Ethan behind.
Should I wait for Josh?
Yeah, wait for your buddy. You can hang with me.
Okay then.
Over here. We see you. Alan's over here. Alan, where is Ethan? Ethan, we see Alan. They're over here.
Excellent.
Yeah, they're over here.
I'm gonna serve as a waypoint for the people coming through the sketchy route.
Okay, tell them to come down here though.
Alright. Ashton, once you are with Josh, do you know that Josh took the same route you did?
Yep.
Okay. And once you're with Josh, you're gonna head.
I'm gonna go up with it to make sure he's okay.
Oh yeah. You should be fine. Oliver's back there. Oh, and tell Oliver that you should just bring up the rear.
Oliver!
Yeah?
Bring up the rear!
Yeah?
Yeah, I said that. Just want to make sure that was the plan.
Who are you? Ashton? Yeah. I'm the cameraman. Cameraman never dies. Sorry. I come see
Oh, there's the cameraman.
I
Hi,
am.
camera.
Yeah. Yo, Ethan, what's up?
What's up? Is that Josh Price?
Oh, yeah.
He's so cool.
Thank you.
That guy's in my troop.
Yeah, you're in my troop too, bro. You're the, you used to be the SPL bro, damn me, bro.
I am still the SPL.
Well, thanks for your service.
Appreciate you.
You had amazing service.
I have the best service. I am.
Water?
Humble
Yeah, they're all.
too. That's how you feel.
What do you mean the other group?
What?
The other
See,
people.
I'm changing my mind.
Other people, Josh is coming.
What's the other direction?
How long have we been?
Don't shine the light on my face. Dude, just check the cam.
I'm trying. What is it? We've been in here for now 12 minutes.
Yeah, Matthew, where are we supposed to go from here? Are we all leaving?
Let's just come in here.
Okay. Yeah.
Yo guys, I'm here. I cannot put my shoes like this.
There's actual water, by the way. Yeah.
Like at where?
It's a lot of mud. There's a lot of mud.
Well, that's obvious.
This is crazy.
Is Ethan still back there?
Yeah,
he's still checking. Ethan's still checking on people. Joey and every other person.
Hey, you need your buddy.
I was just I'm trying to bro on the camera. I got it. Bro. There, it's right there.
I'm gonna take a nap.
Buddy's Josh, bro.
It's the police.
I'll take some pictures.
No. Get down.
You want to take some pictures?
Not yet. This is so bad.
Hee ho, the monkey comes, the monkey goes. Hee ho. No, look at the picture.
There's a bat up there.
What?
There's a bat up there. And up there, can you guys see it?
Where is it?
I don't know.
Wait, what are we doing?
Take a look.
That. Perfect. I need to start my pandemic right now.
Don't touch it. Oh, I don't see it. See bat? I don't see it anymore.
Okay.
Oh, wait. It was just stalactite.
Wait, what?
Man, it was just stalactite.
Because they have like.
You're not
look like just like.
Shut up.
Yeah.
I want to.
You're not going to touch it because you can't climb up
They're
there.
really small.
Where's my buddy? You can climb there. I'll give you $500.
How was that small?
With your buddy. With your
Camera
buddy.
guy.
With your buddy. You gotta climb up there with your buddy.
Please don't shine it in my
Okay,
face,
well.
bro. Seriously.
You're shining in my face.
Oh, no, bro. I'm looking up. It's not even.
It literally was just shines in. Dude, who wants to play tic-tac-toe with me?
Is that a way to go?
I go right here.
You're hiding from the
You
police?
go right here. I go right here.
I think the police wouldn't go inside of a camp. It was probably
Exactly. That's why we're here.
Yo, I swear I just learned something from over there.
Camera guy, how's your video going?
God,
Should
there's
I
a
get this
hole.
thing on too?
When there's a hole, there's
always
always
a
a goal, right?
Even in caves. I didn't beat him
Even
into
in caves,
tic-tac-toe.
when there's a hole, there's a goal, right?
Yeah, when are we gonna move
Even in
forward?
caves.
Probably after everybody comes inside the part.
Bro, I just beat him into tic-tac-toe. Look.
Who wants to play me in tic-tac-toe?
I'll play you. Wait, over here, over here.
I already have a ball.
Alright, I'm coming.
He's the one.
So good, so good, so good.
Give me them kicks, bro. Stop. Don't take my kicks.
Sweet.
Yo, what happened to your main camera?
No, I won.
Pop, pop.
What happened to your main cam?